Okay, so we're going to use this tool, and so called Conceptboard, and this will be kind of like being in a classroom with a big open, big wall, and we're going to pin up all our projects on it, so that we can look at all of your projects all at the same time, almost. But before we do that, I think we need to get you signed up on Conceptboard. So I believe the Conceptboard is either conceptboard.com, or you could just look it up in Google, and one of them will show up. I'm already on that one, so maybe I could do that because I think I logged out. Okay, I logged out, so that's good. Since I was logged in before, it just automatically took me there. You'll see this blank board. It'll have a login, email, and all the other password and stuff. For you being here on at the first time, you're going to have to go to the sign up, which is at the bottom of the page. Type in your name that you're going to use. Type in your email, and for this, you're going to have to use your school email. So whatever student or .student.roundsack.org, whatever it was. Edu, yeah. Create a password, and then you'll just go sign up for free. Okay, once you do that, let me try to go back and I will sign on. So I'm going to log into my account. Okay, and sign in. Okay, so what we as faculty are going to do is to create these invitations. So after you have signed on, you'll be receiving invitation to go to a certain board. Okay, so I have some set up here. We're going to create our new boards here, 101 subtraction project or solar gallery project or something. But anyway, how this works is that I set mine up for this class where I have a series of projects. This was like our first assignment.
It looks like there's a tutorial at the beginning of the sign up.
Yeah, there is a tutorial, little videos and stuff, so it'll be easy to use. But up here, we as faculty are gonna share this board that we make up or to create. It's basically a blank wall, and all of your email addresses will be plugged into that, and so you'll get an invitation to join this pinup board. Okay, and once you do that, you can start to upload your files that we ask for. So all I ask is for the PDF files that all the students kind of logged in or uploaded. You'll be going to insert content, upload file, and then...
Hiro, if I could interrupt you for a minute.
Sure.
This only works with images. It does not work with 3DS files, right?
No. We're asking for everyone to put their document in a PDF, right? So it just works out fine that way, that once we're in a PDF. So I'm just going to take one of these, plug it in, and then plug it into place. Sometimes this thing hides it somewhere because it takes it to the center of the board. I probably lost it. I don't know where it is now. Sorry about that. Maybe I'll just make a new board. Yeah. Create a new board, and the invitation will be sent out to you, and this is what we'll get. If we try to upload a presentation, let's see. We'll put that. I don't know what that is, but we'll just plug it in here. Okay, and it's plugging in there. and it should just drop it in. Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
there it is.
Took a little time because I guess this was a big board. There it is. Okay, so usually it comes in as 2 times as large as it is. So we're gonna have to go back and go to the original dimension, and there it is. So as you guys upload your drawings and such, they'll just put it right next to each other, and then we could kind of see this thing as if we were in classroom and we're looking at your drawings and such.
Now, in this particular case, you've uploaded an entire finished presentation.
This is a finished presentation, yeah.
Yeah, but now they can sort of like scrapbook together a presentation out of multiple images, or are they only allowed to upload a finished thing?
Okay, no. What we can do is, this is the one, maybe not that one. Yeah. This is a board that is, we have each individual presentation, right? So this is 11 by 8.5 by 11 sheet. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So this whole set is from one student, from another student, and so on and so on. So they can't just, you know, upload as many images as possible, or if they want, or have, I guess we specify, there is a limit of 100 of these images on one board, so we have to be careful about that. In that case, I figured out that you know, our 102 students know how to put together their PDF as one big PDF, so they'll upload that. Kind of like how they've taken pictures and such and plugged it into one bigger PDF board and then uploaded it into the actual board. Okay, so that's basically the gist of what we are going to do. And on here we can start, you know, commenting on stuff, marking stuff up, typing things up. To do that, I believe we have to invite you as an editor as well, if you want to mark on it, not just an observer kind of thing.
Hiro, can you go to your 102 class?
102 class, which one?
Any 102 class, maybe I think this one, the figure ground ones.
Your ground ones. Oh, we were there. Yeah.
Right. So I'm gonna go in there and try to interact.
Okay. So
there
I've
I just
already
popped up.
invited Nadeem in here, so you saw his spaceship right there, the asteroid spaceship.
So if I want to upload an image, I'm going to upload an image or something to participate in this. There it is. It just landed right there. It's a bit too small, but all right. Wrong project. So did it come in, or
Yeah,
on your? You saw it?
you just deleted it.
No, it's sitting right here on your right-hand side.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, and then I can, so that way, I guess we're looking at everybody's project as though they were pinned up on a wall in the classroom.
And just so that you know, down here we have the telemetry thing here, so when you zoom in or out, basically I could tell where you're looking. If you pan over, it's moving to other parts of the screen, so we'll know exactly where you're looking. I think that does it. So all the participants' name will be here and all that. But like I said, your duty for now is to sign on to Conceptboard and register with your Mount SAC EDU address. That way we can go ahead and set up one of these sessions, and then we'll ask you to upload in session 1 or session 2. Since there's a maximum participant of 50 people and we have a little bit more than 50, maybe we'll split the class in half, 30 somewhat to 30 somewhat students on each pinup board. So we'll be looking at this thing as we're looking at the north wall, and we're looking at the east wall or something. All right, because we could always flip back and forth between all of these boards that we create. Okay.
So people should sign up by definitely by Tuesday, am I correct?
Yeah, I think we want them to be able to pin stuff up. So that'll be an assignment that I guess we'll do in class on Tuesday.